It is, however, it is premature to immediately point at and blame Duterte admin when in fact, the two other admins before and after Duterte are equally involved. This post is not a news article and I'm not a news reporter. This is my personal reaction and opinion based on the available information as covered by Article 3, Section 4 of the Philippine Constitution. So, ang gusto ngayon niyang sabihin, ang aga niya naman manisya sa Duterte admin. May dalawa pang administrasyon, na-sandwich lang naman si Digong. Premature, walang ganun. Sabi ni MJ. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ito yung fake news dyan eh. Dalawa yung fake news. Ito, tsaka ito. Tapos meron siyang parang postscript or disclaimer. May disclaimer! Takot tayo makakasuhan ng fake news. Kahit lagyan nyo yan, walang epekto yan. Basta ang inyong sinasabi ay may mali siya. Kahit yan ay opinion, it does not matter. Basta merong mali siya.